Today I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone screen with a live face cam and touch indicators right on the screen. First thing you're going to want to do is download Demoscope. This is the app that I'm using, and the link is available in the video description. This app will put your face cam live on the screen, and you can move it around and resize it. You can tap it to change the shape, and there are other controls that I'll show you later. But effectively, you have a few options to record. You can record any website by typing it in, or you can do something from your camera roll. It could be a video or multiple photos to do a slideshow. I'm going to start by showing you a website. So if we wanted to go to Wikipedia, it will load it into the background, and now I have my webcam, and to start recording, I could hit the record button right there, the big red one. I can do my recording, and then I can press stop, and the video will save directly to your camera roll. First, I'll mention that the control panel does not appear in the final video. I'm doing a special demo now so that you can see it, but when you record a video with Demoscope, the final video will not include the control panel. So first, for the touch indicators, this is that menu. You can disable them if you wanted to. You can enable them. You can change the opacity. You can change the size, and of course, you can change the color. And it's all touches on the screen. So then you also have controls over the picture-in-picture live face cam. You can tap it directly to change the shape. You can also tap the shapes right on the control panel. You can make it larger or smaller, and you can flip to the back camera if you want. Of course, I'm in a playroom right now. You can lower the opacity, I said that. On a shape with corners, you can remove the roundness, or you can increase the roundness all the way. So if you wanted to have, sometimes I want to be in the lower right, inside of an oval, if that's what you're into. You can draw on the screen. And it works exactly like you think, with undo, redo, enable, disable, change the color, change the size of the brush. Pretty cool, pretty handy, great for tutorials, demonstrations. Because there's a browser behind this, you can also navigate to a different website here. You can set a favorite. You can refresh, go back, go forward. Basic browser stuff. You can also control. You'll notice I have text on the screen on the top and the bottom. You can have it there. You could get rid of it. It auto-populates with everything you've ever entered there, so it's super easy. And there's normal font stuff. You can do left, center, right justification. You can increase the size, decrease it. You can go through all sorts of different fonts, and you can change the font color, the background color. You can remove the background color. Pretty basic stuff. So if I wanted to go to white background with, let's do something ugly. Let's do red text. There we go. Adam, by the way, that's my name. And then this is pretty neat. If you have notes or a script that you want to read from, you can open up a teleprompter. The teleprompter also does not appear in the final recording, so it's hidden. It's just for you. So I'm going to paste in a sort of a sample script I got here, and then of course I'm on the free version right now, so it's limiting me to 300 characters. But the paid version is very reasonable, especially. It's a one-time purchase and no subscription. The teleprompter, you can make the text really big to help you read it. You can increase or decrease the opacity of the background. And if it's really big, you can actually just scroll with your finger as you're reading. So super easy. It's a great teleprompter. This is in the recording screen. If you're doing a website, I'll go back to the main menu and I'll show you a few things. So I showed you a website. You can also do an item from your camera roll. So if I wanted to select the video and then start, this is a great way to do reaction videos for something that's right on your phone. Right? I told you I'm gonna play with. And then you can also do photos if you wanted to do a slideshow. So if you click start, in this case, your control panel now has controls, to cycle through the slideshow, and your touch indicators are still there. So if you wanted to highlight and talk about, call out items and point them out in the slideshow during the recording, you can. You could do two output options. You can record, in which case when you stop the recording, it saves directly to your camera roll, or you can stream. You can stream directly to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or any streaming service that has an RTMP endpoint, right? And that's basically all of them: TikTok Live, Vimeo, everywhere that's supporting live stream. There's some advanced setting in there for the advanced folks, and streaming works exactly like. Oh wait, let me go back to web. Streaming works the same as the recording. You just hit record, and then I'm live right now. So that is Demoscope, and thank you for spending this time with me. And if you use the application, let me know. I am the developer, so I'd love to hear from you if you have ideas, or if it's not quite meeting your needs and you want to see some more features, or if you want to tell me I'm doing a good job, I'll listen to that too. Like the video, comment how great it is, download the app. Don't subscribe. I'm not a YouTuber, so I don't care. You don't have to subscribe. And then that's it. That's Demoscope.